Today marks the beginning of Welsh Nature Week, the annual celebration of Welsh nature, habitats and species. Each day of the week will feature different habitats from across Wales: woodlands, wetlands, meadows, peatlands, marine and coastal and urban habitats. In Wales, we're incredibly blessed to live in areas of outstanding natural beauty that are home to an incredibly diverse mix of animals and plant species. As a government, we're putting environment at the heart of our decisions. We want to protect those beautiful environments for future generations to enjoy. That's why we've invested almost £10 million to support our protected natural sites. We also want to create a national forest that runs the length and breadth of Wales, which will help us to restore our unique and irreplaceable ancient woodlands and sustain our wildlife populations. So this week, why not take a fresh look at somewhere local, or visit a new part of our beautiful country to learn more about the creatures and plants in that area.